Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Friday, June 10th, 2022. The time is 9:22. I've already hit the NQ here for 2,500. I'll show you where I did all that. It's moving so fast. Yeah, right here. A few minutes ago, I took a short here, one, and then it took a long position up. So I'll turn that off. Makes a mess out of the chart. Okay. So I'm going to concentrate on the ES. Let's see what we can get on that. Turn it on. See what's going on. Okay. Slowed down pretty good. That's a good time to wait. It's 9:24 because this thing was just moving. Even the ES was just up and down. I don't think somebody could have traded it by themselves without a automation of some sort. Let's wait for it to run. It's been running down really hard. Just wait for the rally or for the buy programs to kick in. It'll get to a certain level and then they'll buy it.
Order submitted.
Up we go. Go, go, go. See how it picked up speed? Hit that mark. Maybe go, 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 go. There we go. There.
Order canceled.
All right. That's 2,000 for the day. See how the time, it was crazy. The speed was just moving too much. Just let it run its thing. I'm on here waiting to flatten because you can flatten it to take your profit. I've got 5 runners. So the longer this thing goes, the more money we make. That was a nice move up. Beautiful move up. Right at the bottom of the daily low too, it bounced. See if we can get some steam on it. No, it's dying.
Order canceled.
Okay. So let's look at the strategy performance, the feature that Ninja's got in there. I still haven't figured out how to keep that for us blind guys. I like 24. All right. Yeah, that's big enough. Okay. $61 in commissions. So basically $2,000 on this one. I waited for the ES to simmer down a little bit. So if you did this every day, you'd make $62,000 for the month. And the time is 9:27. So we'll look at the NQ. And we'll look at that strategy performance. That's a little different because it had to stop and reverse because it was moving so fast. It works. Okay, so we made $2,500 here. It cost us $244 because of the stop and reverse, but it was right, and it was 83% successful. The long trades was 66, and the short ones were 100. So if you did this all month, you would make 78,000. Commissions was a little bit higher because of the stop and reverse, but it got us out of a jam because it didn't go up anymore. And then it went the other way and it got us that. So, hey, whatever works, okay? All right. Well, let's see here. So a total of the day is $2,000 and $2,200. So $4,000 for the day is not too bad. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys more